The illegal clearing of jungle in Sibunsiba forest along the Hapjan-Rongpliplam road continues unabated till today. Even after a series of appeals from local public and forest department officials, the perpetrators are still clearing the forest and their number is increasing every other day. Despite several warnings issued by the forest department, land encroachers from different parts of Karbi Anglong are yet to stop cutting the jungle to build a village in the forest track, which have so far been serving as livelihood source to the locals. On Saturday, hundreds of them came and carried out their work undisturbed by anyone. They have ignored the appeals of the locals as well as the warning issued by the authority. According to sources, the forest department personnel did not dare to stop the encroachers, fearing retaliation. The forest personnel came in very few numbers, whereas the encroachers were in hundreds. Finding themselves outnumbered, they were forced to remain mute spectators even as the forests were destroyed before their own eyes. Locals and several intellectuals have slammed the forest department for their lack of competence and say that they had utterly failed to assert their full power and authority. Locals further charged that the department is not serious enough about the extremely serious matter, stating that they only issue warnings but are not taking strong action against the mob, which have only emboldened the encroachers. While expressing serious consequences over the current scene, locals pointed out that if a village is allowed to set up in the forest area, it would be a death knell for the forest department. It may be mentioned that local citizens have already submitted memorandums to the KACCEM Forest Board Chairman, Deputy Commissioner as well as the DFO of the area seeking intervention into the matter. However, all the assurances given by the leaders and officials are turning into lies. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.